Hi, okay. Listen up, guys. I just ordered yesterday on Intel Pentium Core 5. Or i5, sorry. And I'm very surprised I received it today. I bought it from Amazon yesterday. 150 quid cost me. And this is very good. Very pleased by this bargain. This version is Intel Core i5 processor, unlocked and unleashed version, which is K series. So 3570 series, K series. That's overclock version. So you see unlocked there. See, what do you do with this? 4 cores, so it's quad core, 4A multi processing Intel Turbo Boost technology 2.0. That's good. Intel Smart Cache technology, integrated memory controller, supports 2-channel DDR3 memory. That's good. 3-year limited warranty. Well, that's good to know. Anyway, I like that. That's quite useful. See, because if I order that, for his DDR3 2 channels, I thought, it's not going to work with that. I don't know why I'm thinking like that, but it does anyway. I thought it was third, because it's 3rd generation, I thought you need 3 channels. But anyway, it is a 3rd generation Intel Core i5, right? That's brilliant. On top, you see Intel itself, the chip. If I'm focusing right or not. If I focus in, little bastard. If I get a bit closer, get it closer here. As you can see, Intel Core, Costa Rica silicon chip. It is i5 anyway. Definitely, because yeah, because reason I never mean open the security thing. I did play around on top anyway, but I didn't look for that. But I did play that on top. But anyway, I don't know why. And this sticker there. So I don't want to open that side. I won't open this side when I build the PC. Right? Yeah. It's not Intel any old shit, like, for anything. It's definitely is i5, because I hope so. No, it should be anyway, because it's sealed there. Unless if they're messing around in a factory, no, this wouldn't, because Intel is a great company. So, and is Ivy Bridge, LGA 1155, Intel Core, supposed to be, really fast CPU chip, and that should be more interesting than Sandy Bridge. Right then, I will log off. Thanks for watching this. If anything do have to say, please written the comment below on here, and please subscribe. But I will be recording more video for this for later on, like next week, several weeks, when I get parts for receiving for PC. So yeah, so stay tuned. So please add like or dislike, it's up to you. Add me a comment and subscribe. And later on this year, or soon enough, hopefully we'll have a whole caboose for PC ready to build, and I will be filming the building up the PC, which in time-lapse mode. Yeah, if you like this, put a thumbs up. If you don't, I don't blame you. It's boring to you, but if you're really interested, thumbs up and subscribe and write a comment below. Okay, peace out. Yeah.